I'm just going to take a walk along this parade and this street, see what there is. It's like a society. All these blocks seem to have gone up recently. That's hotel I'm in, Hotel Monwell. And then you've got Everest Trinity. I'm not sure if it's a hotel or a residential block, but it's owned by the same company. You have a snooker club there. I've not played snooker in ages. But if we can get some practice in, yeah, why not? That's a barn shop. Lots of barn shops in Gujarat. People love their barns. Hand splitting them. You can see the stains on the floor. And usually on walls, pavements, everywhere. Unfortunately, Gujarat is one of the worst offenders when it comes to pan spitting. Or mawa, which is like without the pan leaf, and it's just like tobacco and betel nuts. And then we have like some kind of it's the same line, same block really, but don't think it's been occupied yet. Signs up here saying rent and the phone number to call. Tell by the paintwork on there, that's a very recent block. I'd say what, a couple of years old, maybe less, maybe more. Another one going up next to it. Kem cho? Majama. Thank you. Okay. Tamari kay shop here?
મારી નથી હું સુરત રહું છું.
Oh, I see.
અહીંયા મારો સન છે ને સર્વિસ કરે છે.
Service culture. I mean, how much you're here for vacation and to stay with your son. I like this place. It's nice and quiet, peaceful, and you have everything you need here.
એવરેસ્ટ છે ને ઉધર.
હા.
એવરેસ્ટ હું અહીં સબ હોટલ.
તો એના પાછળ છે એવરેસ્ટ ટ્રિનિટી. એ તમે એમાં છો?
ના હું તો અહીંયા કિશન ગેલેક્સી છે ને કિશન એમાં છું.
Oh, I see. Am I hotel rooms, chair?
ના એ તો રેસિડન્ટ છે.
Oh, I see. That my son's residence. Of course, I see. Right. And what's Everest Trinity then? Is it residence or is it hotel?
હોટલ.
It's hotel as well.
ઓ જો પાછળનો ભાગ છે ને
હા.
એ એનઆરઆઈ માટે છે.
Oh, I see.
જો
Yeah.
મોટી ઉંમરના 60 ઉંમર યા 65
Yeah.
તો એના માટે બનાવ્યું છે એની સુવિધા માટે.
So I can see it's like a apartment blocks really, apartment blocks for buying for those who are retiring from UK, Canada, coming back home, everything. Yeah. Very good. I like the atmosphere here. And still more construction work happening, you see. Blocks everywhere, tower blocks going up everywhere. Today's Holi, so everything is stopped today.
Stop.
Right.
પૂરા ડેવલપ એરિયા.
Yes. Is this what you call society? This is society.
સોસાયટી.
Yeah. તો આ સોસાયટીનું નામ શું છે?
એ ભાયલી એરિયામાં જ આવે છે.
હા.
અને આ પછી બધા અલગ અલગ પછી બધાના નામ આપી દેજો.
આદ્યા ઓરમ.
હા ઓરમ એ સર બધાના અલગ અલગ એ क्या नाम है इसका ब्रॉडवाई.
Okay, this is a full block of it. It's one continuous block.
हाँ.
Oh,
shopping.
so where is the shopping?
वहाँ
Oh, I see. These are all okay. Just today.
Office, shop.
Okay, just today they are closed. Oh, I see. Yeah, I'm here on the wrong day. I need to come back here tomorrow. And now it's like a ghost town. I'm not getting a ghost town. Change name. apart from us. And have you been to the restaurant, the Damigiacho? Yes, I just went there this afternoon. I really had a good time there. Very good food. Okay, I'm gonna make a move and just explore. Okay, wait up, Pachi. Grill and bites, burger, pizza, sandwiches, and shakes. Okay, yeah, that's on the to-do list. And a petrol station too. So electrical and hardware, you know, if something goes wrong, yeah, this is where you go to get your spare parts. I suppose gas canisters. I'm not sure, is it for cars or is it, no, that's for filling, yeah, that's for filling up your car. Yeah, okay, you've got a stationery shop here. And the rest of it still may be unoccupied or could be used as storage by some of these renters here. Mind you, it does say for lease rent, so it's I suppose it's all of this might be available really. So looking at the petrol station, it does look very brand new. I mean, that's less than a year old for sure. You can tell by the paintwork and the paving that's gone down. Still in good condition. So a place to get your replacement canisters for your water cooler, and the grocery shop. So if you live here, all you've got to do is just pop downstairs and pick up your groceries. It's, I suppose that's the closest you can get to a grocery shop, save or sell. So that's some kind of a spicy mixture of Sev and I think it's lentils or bean sprouts. I wonder if it's like miso from Maharashtra. That's an interesting thing to try at least once, I would say. Looking for a cash machine, but there doesn't seem to be one. Might just need cash for the checkout, because I don't think these guys are connected to the internet yet. So obviously the cash payment can't really go through if you don't have a connection. Just don't see how it's going to work. So yeah, it's going to have to be cash. I could possibly just take a rickshaw ride to a bank or a cash machine. So that's the snooker club there. Yeah, why not go and have a look? Okay, let's try the stairs. Maybe there's some internal stairs from here. Ideally a lift. Yep, there is one.
The lift will move upwards. The door is closed.
And 4th is the highest floor here, so I suppose that's the one we need.
Floor 3. The door is open. The doors.
Hello, how can I get to the snooker club?
Upstairs, 4th floor.
Okay, I take the stairs, not the lift.
Lift is also there.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I seem to have come off on the 3rd for some reason. Thank you. Right. It says 4 here. Right, I'm going to take the stairs. Right, so I think I've walked past the snooker place. Could be shut. Hello, bhai. आज ये snooker चालू है आज? Okay, thank you. Right, so it's definitely happening. And it's this one here. Right. Got Ronnie O'Sullivan on the door greeting us. Hello. અત્યારે अभी फ्री है कोई टेबल फ्री है अभी
टेबल फ्री अभी अभी नहीं है मतलब
Okay.
आपको सिंगल्स खेलना है
नहीं हमको तो ऐसे ही
कुछ भी चलेगा
प्रैक्टिस
ना?
के लिए हमको आना था जस्ट फॉर प्रैक्टिसिंग सम शॉट्स वो तो फ्री है तो ऐसे हम तो ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करना था हाँ या
उधर जाके इंक्वायरी कर लो ना
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ।
वो बैठे हैं उधर
हाँ क्या करना है
उनसे पूछ लीजिए सब
Okay,
वो
thank
बता
you,
देंगे आपको।
thank you.
वो बैठे हैं ना
Right, so I've just been in there. I didn't want to take the camera in there because I think people get uncomfortable when you like just shove a camera in their faces, and they might not really be so welcoming. So just went in there and found out what the deal is. There's 3 tables in there, I think. Yeah, 3 in there, and they're all full at the moment. But it tends to get less busy in the evening, so I'm popping back in the evening and have a few shots. 100 rupees per frame. So I suppose you can take as long as you want. Right, that's the basement, so go level up. Right. Ice cream shop and a barn shop. You have a service, sort of like laptops and phone repairs place over there. So I just popped into the shop behind me and I grabbed a few drinks, water, I think a carton of mazar, like a mango juice drink, and something, I think some lemon juice as well. And this is called a Zulu bar, like a Cadbury's, I'm not sure, it's a Cadbury's Feast, the Feast anyway. So this is like a dark chocolate version. Similar in taste, it's just got more cocoa, I suppose.